Surprise! Dapat sulitin natin ang summer!
Pausa tayo!
Adventure tayo! Go to facebook.com/residentforhappiness.
Karinderya Wednesday. Wala pa si mami nyo, kaya si kuya bumili sa kanto. Aminin, hindi luto ni mami no, at pinartner pa ako. Ako. Pogi points, abano. Everyday kainan, happiness.
Hey, amin na crush! Hoy, Ian! Mi naman! Si Troy! Si Ian din! What? Ha? Hey! Mine yan! You're so kapal! Just kidding! Baby! Juicy girl ka ba? Let's do this! Squeeze, clap, get juicy, fine. Fresh, cool, fun in every sense. Squeeze, clap, your juicy, fine. Share the magic with your friends. Feel fresh, cool, and happy.
Can you be my juicy girl?
Squeeze, clap, get juicy, fine. Get juicy-fied!
I can't wait to bring home their favorites. For Mark, creamy white chocolate. For Anne, yummy cherries. And for Dad, soft white chiffon.
Surprise!
All their favorites together at last in the new Red Ribbon White Forest. So delectable, so unforgettable. You can't wait to enjoy it together.
Thanks, Ma! You're our favorite!
The new White Forest, only by Red Ribbon. Delightful Red Ribbon favorites make this season's merry gatherings even more memorable. This Christmas, it's more beautiful with Red Ribbon.
Sino mas okay ngayon? Kumusta na kaya si Gladys?
Sayang naman ang friendship namin.
Albert!
I will never forgive you. You betrayed me! Let me explain. Kala ko naman best friend kita. Denise!
Gladys? Denise? Is that you? Wow, you look great! How are you?
Sexy mo naman. Siyempre, kailangan mo ka-boyfriend. No? Siya nga pala. Nagkatuluyan ba kayo ni Albert? Oo. Pero nagbago na siya sa akin. Siguro dahil sa... Tama na nga yan. Hindi iniiyakan yung mga ganyang problema, no? Share ko sa'yo yung sekreto ko. Denise, I'm so sorry for what had happened. Ay, nako, hayaan mo na yun. Past is past. Eto, para na't magpaganda. Thank you. Sa akin na mag-thank you pag pareho na tayong sexy. Merry Christmas!
Sinong sumira ng cellphone ko? Ha? Ba ewan ko sa'yo, tanong sa kuya mo? Ano yung cellphone?
Ay, di ako ah.
Hindi ako! Hindi ako!
May solusyon dyan!
New Salo-Salo Pack ng Sunmig Coffee. The taste of original Sunmig Coffee 3-in-1. That's good for 4. 10 pesos lang. Lahat na pag-uusapan.
Aaminin ko na!
Daddy yung nakasira.
Sa'yo na cellphone ko.
Anak ko, Dad, wag na. Gumagana pa naman, di ba, Lola?
New Salo-Salo Pack ng Sunmig Coffee. Sarap magsalo-salo.
Nick, sama sa practice.
Sensya na pare, pass muna ako.
Tara pare, jamming na tayo.
Sorry pare, di ako pwede ngayon eh.
Goldilocks Delivery.
Thank you po. Thank you sa mahabang pasensya mo sa amin. Lalo na sa mga pangaral. Nako, para kaming tinutuksok nun. Bumait lang kami. Minsan strict, minsan naman super cool. Perfect combination ka talaga. And we know we're safe. Dahil balot na balot mo kami ng pagmamahal. Now I know kung bakit ka tinawag na ilaw ng tahanan. Happy Mother's Day, Ma!
Ang sarap magmahal ng Pinoy. Happy Mother's Day from Goldilocks.
More than just calls or messages. We're about thoughts and feelings and ideas in all their shapes and sizes. More than just transferring money or building your business. We're about creating your future. Sino man ang nais mong kausapin, ano man ang gusto mong iparating, ang dali. Sa Globe, abot mo ang mundo.
People of the Philippines, people of the world, people of this office, the No Breakiosis Avoiding Break Believing movement is finally here. The Break Movement! We are here to educate, to demonstrate, to facilitate the break movements so that you can avoid no breakiosis. Ladies and gents, we're here to make you see, to make you realize, and to make you believe in the break. Because a proper break is all you need to get ready for the next task. In 3, 2, 1. Are you tired, uninspired? Are you working now? From Luzon to Versailles, to Mindanao. You ought to know you need a rest. Stand up from your desk. Gotta listen to the words coming out of my mouth. Believe in the break. Believe in the break. The break movement is here, so please lend us your ear. We're gonna teach. We're gonna reach. And tell you all about the Believe in the break. So let's shout it out. Are you ready for the break? 'Cause 4 minutes all it takes. Work is out, piece of cake. 'Cause the strips that break. Yes, yes. Now you believe in the break. Believe in the break. Welcome to the break movement. So add us on Facebook and find out more about the break movement. Believe in the break.